So we've just arrived at Go Ape, so we've checked in, done all the health and safety bits and bobs, and we've got about 10 minutes before we need to meet our instructor. And what, I've got to stay here? Am I in the sphere? Why do you need me in the sphere again?
You moved your hand. Can
Sorry,
you not stand still?
sorry. And so yeah, we've got about 10 minutes before we meet the instructor, and we get our harnesses and they go through all the do's and don'ts with the actual equipment. So yeah, the weather isn't great, it's lightly raining, so fingers crossed it holds off, and obviously underneath the canopy of the trees it should hopefully be a little bit drier. So but yeah, everyone's so friendly up here, it's really good, and views are stunning. I'll turn around and show you what I can see.
It's even better on the way back.
Yeah.
This is amazing. You ready?
Yeah.
You wet already?
I am wet already.
So we've just done the, well, it's site 2, but it's the first main course, isn't it? And it's a whole different ball game in the wet. So much more slipperier, isn't it? No, do you not think?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? And both zip wires I've done so far, well, you've landed backwards both times as well. Which makes the landing, like you normally get covered in wood chips, but obviously when it's raining you get covered in soggy wood chips and the dirt and the mud that goes along with it. But yeah, it's all part and parcel of it. I've already got a soggy bottom, so, and I'm not Mary Berry soggy bottom, I've got a Go Ape soggy bottom. Nice bam!
I'm stuck.
Exactly, I told you to go bum first. You're out. Yay! Regretting that route now?
Yeah.
Well done for trying, but you've done the rings at Leeds Castle. I am so using this footage and putting like Charlie Chaplin over the top. Oh, I love it.
so funny.
I know it's not funny, but it's funny to watch. It was worth it just for this. Oh, amazing. Do you need help? Just pull yourself across. Next one, that's it. Oh, amazing. Oh, you've got to do this one yet. Oh.
I think these two are designed to make you look like an idiot.
Yeah. It is the extreme route that's as hard as it gets, those two. Is your foot on that one alright?
What?
Don't worry. I wouldn't worry about your head, that's the last thing you need to worry about.
I bet they've all been watching.
Yeah.
That idiot.
They probably have me laughing and come running and hiding behind the trees. Well done. That was quite a big drop. Okay,
Do it.
let's do it.
Last zip line.
Last zip line. And it goes all the way down there. See ya! Go stand next to it.
Why?
To show how wet you are. Turn it round. So what did you think of Go Ape Aberfoyle?
Best one.
It was really good. It's a shame about the weather.
Actually, I think I made it better.
For me, it personally made it a lot harder, and some of them I was a little bit scared of slipping.
Look at the clouds coming
It's
through
amazing,
the trees.
isn't it? But yeah, it's the best Go Ape course that we've personally done, and the zip wires are there a good length. So, and you get to cross the valley through the trees. It's amazing. It's quite a distance for obviously us to travel all the way from Kent up to Scotland, but so worth it, and obviously so worth getting this wet, but it's all part of the fun. So we've just finished doing Go Ape, and we got absolutely soaked. Lucky enough, we've obviously got our suitcases and everything with us with dry change of clothes, but the one thing we haven't got is a towel. So I've resorted to using a t-shirt as a turban, and it works pretty well. So I got changed, but my hair, where it was so wet, was just dripping, making my top all wet again. So yeah, if in need, use a t-shirt.
In 4.6 miles, turn right onto A873.
You ready to make a run for it?
Yeah.
It's not very nice, is it?
It's really cold outside. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.